warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Ariwiwaha. I'm from SMA Negeri 1 Wates. SMAAWARDS, such smart action changes success. Here, I will tell you a story from Kediri, and the title is Calon, Arang. Once upon a time, in Kira village, lived the supernatural widow named Calon Arang. She was very powerful. Her face was frightening, but her life was very happy because she had a very beautiful daughter named Ratna Manggali. Ratna Manggali was very kind girl and liked to help each other. Every day she spent her time in the garden. Do you know what she is doing? She planted and watered flowers by singing. But Ratna Manggali was very pretty girl. No man would brave to propose Ratna Manggali because all the people were afraid with the widow. One day, when Ratna Manggali was walking around the village, she was surprised whenever she met boys. They ran from her. A man shouted, "Hey, all of men in the village! Don't go to the girl! Don't fall in love with her! And don't marry her! Because all of you can die by her mother." After that, Ratna Manggali fell down, sad and cried. She prayed to God. "Oh God, why all the people in the village hate me? Actually, I need peace in my life without being afraid with my mother." Suddenly, she stood up. "Stop talking! Don't think negative about me and my mother. She will be angry hearing this. Stop! Stop! Stop!" Then, the wind blew strongly. What happened? Her mother came. She shouted, "Ha ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Hey, all the people in the village! I'm Ratna Mangali's mother, a very powerful woman in the world. I'm Calon Arang! Ha 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 ha! How dare you are! You make my beloved daughter sad and cry. So, all of you must be dead." Calon Arang was very angry and gave everyone punishment. After that, the epidemic disease directly attacked all the people in Kira village. There were a lot of victims because of it. They were sick and died. Only M.Pd from Lemah Tulis village could solve the problem. We had good idea to defeat Calon Arang. M.Pd asked Bahula, his student, to marry Ratna Manggali. Bahula, you must marry Ratna Manggali to make easy for us to beat Calon Arang, said M.Pd to Bahula. Bahula accepted. He answered, "Okay, master, if it can save all people from the big disaster because of Calon Arang, I will do." The proposal was accepted. Ratna Manggali and Bahula get married and they stayed in Ratna Manggali's house with Calon Arang. From Ratna Manggali, Bahula got information about the weakness of Calon Arang. Bahula, as soon as possible back in his village, Lemah Tulis, while brought the black magic book of Calon Arang. My lord, this is from Ratna Manggali. I got information about Calon Arang, said Bahula to M.Pd. Good job, Bahula. You've done it well, answered M.Pd. In the last story, M.Pd and Calon Arang had a great battle, and Calon Arang died. While Calon Arang had died, she brought destruction in the world. Too many victims were died because of her. And finally, Ratna Manggali and Bahula lived happily ever after. That's all about my story. No ending without meeting, no closing without opening. Forgive me for everything because I'm just a human being. At least I say thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.